Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll animate the Instagram post like this. First, create a new composition. I call this render. And the width is 1200 pixels and height is 1200 pixels as well. And duration 8 seconds and the frame rate is 25. Then import the assets. Drag into the folder icon and create a new folder. I call it Assets. Perfect. After creating a new solid, I call this BG. And select a deep yellow color like this. Then drag the shape footage into the timeline and adjust it. Then drag the burger footage into the timeline and decrease the scale value like this. I think 45 is good for me. And pre-compose it. Pre-compose it. I call this media placeholder. And select second option. Then drag these dots layers into the timeline and adjust like this. Duplicate this layer and adjust it. After that, pre-compose these two layers and name it dots and press OK. Then type the title text. I use this font Alpha Slab 1. After duplicating this layer and changing the text to hot and fresh, you can write anything you want here. Then drag these two icon layers into the timeline and adjust the bottom left corner like this. Then select the text tool and type your number. I use Montserrat font bold version. And then type your Instagram username here. By the way, I use the text for logo. You can use your brand logo here. create the Order Now button. Type the text order now. And duplicate the layer, change the text to 50% off and change the text size like this. After, select the rounded rectangle tool and creating a rounded rectangle. Perfect. Now change the colors like this. After all, pre-compose the layers and crop the composition. Then pre-compose all the layers one by one like this. Now let's start animating them. By the way, I'm using Animator Composer to animate this post. First, animate the burger text. I use this preset. After animation, the hot and fresh. Then pre-compose it and call this title text. Then animate the burger layer. the video, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. See you in next video. Goodbye.